स्टूडेंट्स वेलकम टू द क्लास। आज हम पढ़ेंगे एक्सरसाइज 6.2 दैट इज मल्टीप्लाइंग ए मोनोमियल विथ ए मोनोमियल एंड ए बाइनोमियल। मोनोमियल इंटू मोनोमियल एंड मोनोमियल इंटू बाइनोमियल। फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। एक्सरसाइज 6.2 डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट करेंगे, करते करते सीखेंगे, सीखते सीखते करेंगे। ऑलराइट, करते करते सीखेंगे, सीखते सीखते करेंगे। एक्सरसाइज 6.2 डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। First one, multiply, find the product of the following pairs of monomial. First one, 4 and 7p. Find the product, 4 and 7p. 4 into 7p. Symbol, sign into sign, number into number, and the factor into factor. All right. 4 into 7, plus into plus, plus 4 7s are 28p, p. 28p. All right. 4 will go and multiply with the coefficient of the p. It will become 28p. All right. Fine. Next one. Minus 4p and 7p. Minus 4p into 7p minus into plus. 7p is plus. 7p is plus 7p minus 4p is minus into plus. Into is there. Now you can do into. All right. जब into होगा तभी करेंगे, into नहीं होगा तो नहीं करेंगे। ऑलराइट, माइनस इंटू प्लस इज माइनस। 4 into 7 is 28. p into p is p square. p into p is p square. ऑलराइट, sign into sign, number into number, and variable into variable if it is same. We cannot multiply x and y. X into y is xy. X into x, x square. Y into y, y square. Like that. I hope you are understanding. Keep pen and paper ready with you. Keep doing with me. Keep doing with me. Next. Minus 4p and 7pq. Okay. Now what we'll do? Minus 4, this is minus 4 into p. This is on bracket into. We have to multiply now. Into. This is 7 into p into q. Correct? This is obviously plus. This is minus. If you multiply minus into plus, we get minus. Number into number, 4 7s are 28. P into p, p square. Q has nothing, but it is there in into q or just q. Into q. 28 minus into 28 into p into q. Alright, minus 28 p square q. I hope you are understanding it. प्रैक्टिस करवा जाएगा, प्रैक्टिस से आ जाएगा। थोड़ा सा पेन चला लो, पेन चला लो, आ जाएगा। ऐसे कर लो, एक बार ऐसे कर लो, जो लिखा है ना उसको लिख लो, थोड़ा सा अंडरस्टैंड कर लो, समझ लो, आ जाएगा थोड़ा सा। ओके, फोर्थ वन आई रीड फॉर यू। फिफ्थ वन, 4p into 0. Anything into 0 is 0. All right. Next question. Find the areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their lengths and breadths respectively. Okay. Following pairs. P and Q. 10m and 5n. 20x square and 5y square. 4x and 3x square, 3mn and 4np. Okay, these are the lengths and breadths of the rectangle. We have to find the area of the rectangle. All of us know that area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So therefore, area of this rectangle is equal to p into q is pq. Okay, area of this rectangle 10m into 5n, 10 5s are 50, m into n, mn, m into n, mn. Similarly, area of this rectangle is 20x square into 5y square. 20 5s are 100, x square into y square. They are unlike terms. Still we multiply. We keep side by side. ठीक है, next. Area of this is a rectangle. Length is this, breadth is this. Find the area. Area is length into breadth. 4x into 3x square is equal to 4 into 3, 4 into 3 and x into x square, है ना? X into x square is equal to 4 3s are 12. X into x square क्या होगा? X into x square. X square is nothing but x into x. X square is x into x. X into x into x is our x cube. Is our x to the power 3. Alright, x to the power 3. X cube, 12x cube. X into x is x cube. You can skip this step. You can do it directly. You can do. Similarly, you will do this. 3 4s are 12. M, there is no m here. M as it is. N is here. N square. P is there. P. That's our answer. Alright. समझ में आ रहा है? करोगे नहीं तो आएगा नहीं बच्चों. प्लीज डू इट योरसेल्फ. ऑलराइट, बढ़ते हैं अगली क्वेश्चन की ओर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. कंप्यूट द टेबल ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. लेट अस डू ए टेबल. बहुत अच्छा सा प्यारा सा क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. लेट अस डू इट. Very nice question. Very nice question. What is this sound? Students, give me 1 minute. Not 1 minute. अभी आया. Excuse me, I'm really sorry. Some setup issues. Setup issues. Setup box issues. Setup box. I'll make the table first. First monomial and second monomial we have to multiply. Here is the first monomial. What are the first monomial? 2x minus 5y, 3x square minus 4xy. क्या हाल चाल 7x स्क्वायर वाई. पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं, एसेज, हाँ, टेंशन, टॉर्चर. क्या हाल चाल. सेकेंड इज हियर. ओके, दिस इंटू दिस वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. 2x minus 5y, 3x square minus 4xy, 7x square y. हाँ, सेम वही है ना, वही है, सेम इट इज. minus 9x square y square. We have to multiply. For example, it is shown to you. It is given that 2x into 2x. Okay, this is first monomial and this is our second monomial. 2x into 2x, 2 to the 4, x is x square, 4x square. Okay, one more is given to you. Minus 5y into minus 5y, minus into minus is plus. 5 5 is 25, y to y, y square is given to you. Alright. Hey, one second. This is not given. This is given. Minus into minus, minus into plus is minus. 5 3 is 15. There is no x, there is no y, no common. X square into y, x square y. 15 x square y. Okay. Rest all the things we should do it ourselves. Do it ourselves. D-O-Y. Do it ourselves. Do it yourself. DIY maths. Do it yourself. बहुत आसान है, बहुत आसान है. सीखेंगे इन डिटेल. ठीक है. Sign into sign, number into number, and variable into variable. If they are like, unlike, keep it side by side. 2 into minus 5, minus 10. X into y, xy. 2 into 3, 6. X into x square, x to the power 3, x cube, powers get added. 2 into minus 4 plus into minus, minus 2 4s are 8. X into x, x square. There is no y as it is. Y into x square, y will keep it. Plus into plus, we don't write plus. 7, 2 7s are 14. X into x square, x to the power 3. No y into y into y. Alright, 14 x cube y. Plus into minus, minus 2 9s are 18. X into x, x into x square, x into x square, x to the power 3, x to the power 3, x to the power 1 is the x to the power 1, plus 2, 3, x to the power 3. Y square into y square into y square as it is. Like this, we have to complete the table. Let me do it some random for you. Some random questions. 5y into 5y, 5 into 2, minus into plus, minus 5 2s are 10, x into y, y into x, or x into y, xy. We cannot merge. Okay. Minus into minus is plus, 5 5s are 25, y into y is y square. Minus into plus is minus, 5 5 is 5 3 is 15, y into x, x square, y into x square, x square into y, x square into y as it is. Minus into minus plus, 5 4s are 20, y into y, y square, x as it is. Minus into plus, minus 7 5 are 35, y into y, y square, x square as it is, x square as it is. Minus into minus plus, 5 9s are 45, x is not here, x square as it is, y is here, y into y square, y cube. 3 2s are 6, x square into x, x cube. Plus into minus is minus, 3 5s are 15, x square into y, no like term, x square into y. 3 3s are 9, x square into x square, x to the power 4. Like this you have to do the remaining questions. Shall we do it? नहीं करेंगे, बहुत है सर, हम लोग कर लेंगे. कितना कर रहे हो आप? हम है ना, हम करेंगे. अच्छा करो बच्चों, करो करो और करके दिखाओ. सब कुछ करो, सब कुछ करो. I'll do 2 more. 7x square, 7 2s are 14, x square into x, x to the power 3 into y, finish. Minus 9x square, minus 9 into minus, minus into minus, plus 9 9s are 81, x square into x square, x to the power 4, y square into y square, y to the power 4 into y to the power 4, है ना? So that's it. Remaining questions you can do it yourself. आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर है मेरे अली जनाब, मिस्टर, मिसेस, मिस. करिए, आप खुद कीजिए. Do it yourself. मैथ्स आसान है, बहुत आसान है, बहुत ही आसान है. Very very easy. This is very easy. Okay. Question number 4. Obtain the volume of rectangular boxes. Question number 4. Obtain the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height. Rectangular box. For example, if we have a book, for example, this is our length and this is our breadth, length, breadth and height. This is our height. Rectangular box or a cuboid, length, breadth and height. Okay, volume is length into breadth into height. Volume is length into breadth into height. LBH. So it is given that following are length, breadth and height. Find the volume. Multiply the L into B into H. Okay, first one. Respectively, length, breadth and height respectively. First one is length, second one is breadth, third one is height. 5a 3a square 7a to the power 4. Okay. This is our length. This is our length. This is our breadth. This is our height. So volume of cuboid, this is a cuboid, is L into B into H, LBH. 5a into 3a square into 7a to the power 4. 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are 105. A into a square into a to the power 4. Okay, I'll do it here. A into a square into a to the power 4. A into a square is a to the power 3, a cube, into a to the power 4, a to the power 3 plus 4, 7. Powers we add when we multiply the like terms. Powers we add. Similarly, a to the power 7 we get. This is our volume. Unit of volume is unit cube, cubic unit. So whatever unit we have, that unit cube we have to write. Centimeter, centimeter cube, feet, feet cube, meter, meter cube, and so on, like that. Next question. 2p 4q 8r multiply 2 4 the 8, 8 8 the 16. Volume of, always you write cuboid is equal to LBH, L into B into H. 2p into 8q into 4p 4q into 8r. 2 4 is 8, 8 8 is 64. P into q into r, p q r. That's it. Unit cube, unit cube, cubic unit. All right, cubic unit. Similarly, if we have this question, for example, one more I'll do. X, y, 2x square y, 2xy square. Volume of the rectangle is multiply, and multiply. For multiplication, no need. This is L, B, H. Okay. Okay. Coefficient into coefficient, sign into sign, coefficient into coefficient, term into term, factor into factor, like, unlike, side by side. Okay. Here is 1. 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4. All are positive, don't worry. X into x square, x cube into x, x to the power 4. Y into y square into y square, y to the power 4. That's it. है ना आसान, बहुत आसानी, बहुत आसानी. We'll take question number 5. Next question you can do it yourself, because this is DIY maths. Do it yourself maths. है ना? Do it yourself maths. 5. Fifth one. First one. Obtain the product of, it is direct. Find the volume is indirect. You have to understand. अपने किडनी से समझो उसको. Sorry. विवेक से, बुद्धि से, चेतना से. All right. First one. X, Y and YZ and ZX. Obtain the product of these. So XY into YZ into ZX. So X into X. How can you obtain the product? X into, we have Y here, there is no X, nothing. X into X. Let us write it in open form. Open कर दो इसको. X, Y is X into Y. YZ is Y into Z. ZX is Z into X. X into X, X square into Y into Y, Y square. Z into Z, Z square. हाँ, इंटू को निकाल दो, क्यों रखे हुए खामोखा में. हाँ, X square, Y square, Z square. That's it. Let us take one more. Third one. 2 4y 8y square 16 y cube. 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y cube. Let us open 2 into 4 into y into 8 into y into y into 16 into y into y into y. Y cube is 3y. Y square is 2y. Y is y. Okay. Number into number, variable into variable. 2 4s are 8. 8 8s are 16. 16 into 16, 256. Y into y into y into y into y into y. How many y's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 y's. Y to the power 6. अंडरस्टैंडिंग स्टूडेंट्स, किताब लो, बुक लो एंड लिखो, करो, आ जाएगा। बहुत आसान, बहुत बहुत आसान है। डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज, थोड़ा सा अलर्ट रहो, दैट्स इनफ, मोर देन इनफ। हाँ, सिमिलरली वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई, फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ m इंटू माइनस एम एन इंटू एम एन पी, है ना। सो m इंटू माइनस एम इंटू एन इंटू एम इंटू एन इंटू पी, है ना। ओपन द ब्रैकेट्स, उसको खुला खुला कर लो। ऑलराइट, माइनस इज देयर, ओनली वन माइनस इज देयर, माइनस विल कम इन द आंसर, है ना। प्लस इंटू माइनस इंटू प्लस इंटू प्लस इंटू प्लस इंटू प्लस, माइनस ही आएगा। माइनस एम इंटू एम स्क्वायर इंटू एम, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 3 टाइम्स, एम क्यूब। एन इंटू एन स्क्वायर, ओनली वन पी, ओनली वन पी। अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सो दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माय साइड। अच्छे से पढ़ो, खूब पढ़ाई करो, दिल लगा के पढ़ाई करो। ऑलराइट, टॉर्चर को बर्दाश्त करो फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स, फ्रॉम योर टीचर्स, दे आर योर वेल विशर्स। एंड बी एक्टिव इन योर लाइफ, डू वर्क्स एट स्कूल, एट होम, बी फ्रूटफुल। काम के बच्चे बनो, काम के बच्चे। ऑलराइट, डोंट टेक द फोन ऑलवेज, फोन ऐसे पकड़ के, हाँ, फोन की धुनी मत बनो, काम की धुनी बनो, काम के धुनी। ऐसे काम करो, ऐसे काम करो कि माता पिता खुश हो जाएं एंड टीचर्स खुश हो जाएं। काम, ऑलवेज काम, काम काम, काम गिव्स यू हैप्पीनेस। ऑलराइट, वर्क वर्क एंड वर्क, वर्क आपको खुश रखेगा। दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माय साइड फॉर टुडे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।